Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz919 here, and today what we're going to be doing is sort of a little trial, because here I have Norman's old grill. The plan is with this that obviously we're going to tape up the badge because we don't want to spray over that, and then obviously just use this as a tester. We're going to spray that black, put a clear coat on it and see how it turns out. If it doesn't do well, then I don't know, I can throw it in the bin, sell it on eBay or something. And if it does do well, then I can like fully commit and spray the grill with a good badge, because I don't want to ruin the grill with a good badge, because then I'm left with a grill with a bad badge if I don't like it. So yeah, I think I'm going to go for about 2 to 3 coats of paint first, and then 1 to 2 coats of clear coat. But let's get on with it.
So this is the sort of makeshift spray setup. I like to have a good read while I'm spraying. Obviously take the badge over, try to be as neat as I can. But there's only so neat you can be with masking tape. So that is the first coat done. I'm just going to leave that about 20 minutes, half an hour to dry I think. And then we'll go over with a second coat. Right, so that seems quite dry after the first coat. Now we're just gonna chuck a second coat on it. And we're gonna fix our makeshift spray booth also. So that is now the second coat dried. I think I'm going to go for 1 more coat of paint, and then I think I'm going to go on to the clear coat after that. Okay then guys, so it's starting to get a little dark now, so I'm going to try and hurry up, get this done, and then when it's all dried I'm going to bring it inside and we'll have a look at it in the light. But now I'm going to get some clear lacquer on it just to protect it. So I think just maybe 1 coat for now, and I might chuck another one on tomorrow. Right then guys, so this is the grill I found at the scrapyard, the one I was talking about with a really nice badge. And like I say, I'm going to spray this one when I find out the result, and the result is really good. Because if you look here, you can see how much better it stands out on Norman. And just as a side-by-side comparison, you can see before and after, and it looks so much better. So I think I am going to spray this one black. The contrast on the lower bumper is a bit weird. I will need to do that at some point, but I think for the most part the grill just looks wicked. So maybe in the next few days I'm going to get on spraying this one as well. But I don't think I'm going to record that because you've already seen me spray a grill and put it on Norman. Also, I've just gave Dennis a quick clean. I've had him back for a couple of days because of the exhaust issue. So I'm going to use him to get to working back and stuff while Norman gets his exhaust sorted, because on Friday we're going to be heading down to Norfolk, so I need Norman fixed. But for now, yeah, I thought I'd give him a clean and he's looking on point, you know. I don't know if I've mentioned it already or not, but Norman has got a slight issue with the back box of the exhaust, and if you want to know how that sounds, here's a few clips. For this video guys, I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, peace.